Hi guys, welcome back. In this hands-on video, I'll show you how to fix dark mode not working on iPhone. If your iPhone stays stuck in the light mode or the dark mode option doesn't apply to apps and system menus, don't worry at all. I have got you fully covered with some pretty effective solutions. That's it, let's get started. So first and foremost, I will recommend you to check your appearance settings on your iPhone. Just open the settings app and then head over to display and brightness section. After that, ensure that the dark is selected under the appearance section. Also disable the automatic toggle if it is enabled. Sometimes the scheduling feature can cause confusion by switching between modes based on time. After setting dark manually, check whether the interface changes immediately. Next, I will recommend you to check for the accessibility overrides. To do so, head over to the settings app on your iPhone. After that, choose the accessibility option. Then you have to choose the display and text size option. Then you have to make sure that options like Smart Invert or Classic Invert are turned off, as these can interfere with the dark mode. Also ensure that increased contrast and reduced transparency aren't affecting how colors appear on your device. After disabling these settings, relaunch your apps to see if dark mode starts working normally again. The third fix is to check if your iPhone or apps need updates. Just head over to the settings app on your iPhone. After that, choose General. Then you have to select the software update option, and then you have to follow the usual process to download and install the latest version of iOS on your device. After that, you have to open the App Store, and then you have to tap on your profile picture located at the top right corner of the screen. And then you have to proceed to update all the apps on your device. And finally, if nothing works, I will recommend you to reset all settings on your device because it has the knack of fixing complex or persistent issues. Just open the settings app on your iPhone. After that, choose General. Then you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, choose Reset. Then you have to tap on Reset All Settings and confirm the action by inputting your device password. Don't worry at all, this won't delete your data, but will restore system preferences like display, accessibility, and wallpaper settings to default. After the reset, head back to the display and brightness section and re-enable the dark mode. In most cases, this step fixes lingering configuration issues that block appearance changes, and that's about it. So these are the best tips and tricks through which you'll be able to fix dark mode not working on iPhone. Hopefully these tips have helped you get a better of this annoying problem, and now the dark mode has started to work as usual. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy tips and tricks, and I'll catch you up in the next one.